Hello there. Today I have a new strategy for you that I have been working on for the past couple of days. This strategy is different from my other strategies. This one does not use the 200 EMA to identify the trend, nor does it use a volume indicator. It is based purely on the momentum of the price. For this strategy we gonna use the RSI on default settings, ASH indicator, but not on default settings, and the 12-period ATR bands with multiplier of 2. ASH indicator is our first confirmation, meaning we will look at ASH first and see if it gives a signal. If ASH gives a signal, we will then look at RSI to see if it gives a signal as well. Be advised that I changed the look of the indicators just because I think they look better like this. In regard to the ASH indicator, I won't show you the settings just yet. If you like this strategy and think you will be using it, then you have to try different settings and see what fits better, because that's how you test an indicator. Who knows, you might find better settings on your own than mine. I will post my settings for ASH indicators sometime in the future, so subscribe to get notified when I post them. Enough talking, now, let's see the rules for this strategy. For long entries, ASH must cross green above red, and RSI must cross above 50. The ideal entry would be when both indicators give a signal at the same time, i.e., when RSI crosses above 50 and ASH crosses green above red on the same candle, then we enter long. Stop loss goes 2 times ATR away from price, and take profit 2 times risk, meaning 4 times ATR. Here we will also apply the one candle rule, meaning if ASH gave a signal, but RSI did not, we will give the RSI one candle to give a signal. If it did not, we will skip the trade. I will show you why later in the video. Let me show you some buys examples. Here, ASH crossed green above red, and the RSI crossed above 50 by a tiny bit. This is a valid signal. Buy on close and stop loss according to ATR, which is 2 times ATR away from entry. This is another example that looks like the last example. Let's see some sell examples. Here both RSI and ASH gave a signal, which is an ideal signal. Sell on close and stop loss 2 times ATR above entry. Here both indicators gave a signal at the same time as well. Now let me show you why the one candle rule is important. See, here ASH gave a signal, but RSI did not. We wait for the next candle to see if the RSI would give a signal, but RSI did not give a signal on the next candle. So we skip the trade. Let's see what would happen if we ignore the one candle rule and take the trade once the RSI goes below 50. 1. We took the trade at a bad price. 2. The price went into a range, and the hit our stop loss. That is why the one candle rule is important for this strategy. Like the video if you liked it and subscribe to get notified when I upload a new strategy and when I post my ASH indicator settings. Also, do not forget to test the strategy before using it. It is important that you do that. Try it on a demo account as well. See you in the next one.